basically use two patterns. One pattern is very simple. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. This is the basic pattern. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So I spice it up with a sort of flamenco-ish thing that I do with both my pick and my middle finger. And it goes like this. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Up, down, up. Up, down, up. And faster. And when you combine the two patterns together, a bit faster. First, make sure you play this phrase right without the two notes in the beginning, which I'll go over in a minute. Now, before I play this phrase, I add two ghost notes. 1, 2. Now, I play the first ghost note with a pick, with the downstroke, and the second using my middle finger. And I play both the ghost notes on the second string. 1, 2. This one is a really fun phrase to play, and you're gonna have a really tough time to play it without the technique I'm gonna show you in a second. First, let's start here. Let's skip this part. We'll add it in a minute. It goes like this. First, I use a mini bar on the 8th fret on the first and second strings, just like this. So I use my middle finger to play the first string, then a downstroke with my pick, then another downstroke. That's it. Middle, down, down, middle, down. And when you add the beginning of the phrase, it sounds like this. Next phrase. This is a very familiar pattern. Everyone uses it, right? I use a downstroke, then middle finger, then ring finger. Downstroke, middle, ring, down, down, middle, down, down. You can add a little ghost note there. This one. And if you play it fast, so the whole phrase sounds like this. Down, middle, ring, down, down, middle, down, 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 middle, ring, down. Next phrase. I play two ghost notes, like the first phrase that I showed you. the first one with the downstroke, the second with my middle finger. 1, 2. Now the last part. Again, if you're gonna try to use just your pick, you're gonna have a really hard time to play this phrase. The way I play it: downstroke, downstroke, middle, down, down, middle, down, down, middle, down, down, middle, etc. I suggest at first you practice it only using one chord. Don't worry about your left hand. At first you don't have to change the chords, because the thing that's gonna give you problems is your right hand in this phrase, not the left hand. The left hand is not that difficult.